Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a simple die cut only thank you card. This literally came together in minutes, super fast. So I have some inexpensive white core colored cardstock, and I have this gorgeous background die from Crafty Meraki. This is a small woman-owned business that I kind of recently started purchasing from. She has all these gorgeous dies, lots of floral dies. You've probably seen me use some of her stuff, but I don't have a whole lot of these like background plate dies, and this one was just so gorgeous I couldn't resist. So here are a couple photos of the finished card. You can see it's extremely simple in design, and that's what allowed it to come together so quickly, but I don't feel that it's lacking. I feel like this would make a great gift set. You could do a set of these for someone, or I don't know, switch up the sentiment, make it a nice kind of rounded gift set, or I don't know, you do you. But I love cards that come together really quickly like this, and who doesn't need a bunch of thank you cards, right? So here I have some mint tape on the back. I was going to try and peel it off, but then I thought, meh, it's not going to show anyway. So I left it be, and I attached it with some tape runner to a card base. This is a 110-pound Neenah Classic Crest Solar White, and it is A2 size, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And as you'll see, there is a slight white border. So this die cut does cut slightly smaller than A2 size, but it is perfect for an A2 size card. Just attaching it right down onto this card base, and then I'm going to ultimately shop my sentiment book and figure out what type of card I want this to be. So you can see I'm leaving the inside blank, and then this is my storage solution for my sentiments. I have one for my critters, and actually two now for my sentiments. I ended up recently kind of growing out of this, and I was putting a lot of my actual sentiment strips, like my ones from LDRS, and like the shadow layers and things like that, and the book was getting a little too bulky. So I did leave this one for just actual die cut words, like standalone dies, and then I have one for my sentiment strips now as well. But this is a nice kind of soft gold. It's not really matte gold, it's a metallic, but it's not super reflective. And it just says thankful. I will link it if it is still available. I kind of think this one might be discontinued, but I'll link it if it is available in the video description box. And then I have this kind of glittery blingage in 3 different sizes, and I'm just going to use some liquid glue and attach those down in odd numbers right onto the card base. So I like to do 3 on one side, 2 on the other, just using a mix of these colors. And I do decide, just because the metallic is a little bit more subtle, to kind of flip these sequins onto their back side. So the glittery side is a lot more kind of in your face, but the back side is a little bit more subdued. So I did flip those over and liquid glue those down. So nice and flat, easy to ship, but it has that gorgeous texture from that background die, and it came together so quickly. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.